National Statistics Day, 29 June. India observes its National Statistics Day on 29 June. 29 June marks the birth anniversary of Professor Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis, popularly known as the father of modern Indian statistics. National Statistics Day history. The Government of India decided to celebrate the National Statistics Day on the outstanding contribution made by late Professor Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis in the field of economics planning and statistics, and therefore National Statistics Day marked his birth anniversary. Notification to this effect was published in the Gazette of India on June 5, 2007. About Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis. Professor P.C. Mahalanobis was one of the first members to join the Planning Commission in 1956 and was instrumental in Second Five-Year Plan. He devised the Mahalanobis distance, and in the Second Five-Year Plan, he was instrumental in formulating India's strategy for industrialization. He established the Indian Statistical Institute in Calcutta on 17 December 1931. He also devised a measure of comparison between two data sets, and now it is known as the Mahalanobis distance. He invented techniques for conducting large-scale sample surveys and calculated acreages and crop yields by using the method of random sampling. He also generated a statistical method known as fractal graphical analysis to compare the socio-economic conditions of different groups of people. For flood control, he also applied statistics to economic planning. Statistics is a science of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting numerical data to assist in making more effective decisions. Hence, the aim of this day is to create public awareness about the importance of data in socio-economic planning and policy formulation. The National Statistics Day event will raise awareness in people, mainly among the younger generation, about the role of statistics in socio-economic planning and policy formulation. Happy National Statistics Day. Thank you.
Download Moj.